Hi, I'm Liz Riggs-Meter. I'm the Rec Program Director at ARI and a member of the ARI Instructor Trainer team. This short video will walk you through how to begin each trip into the backcountry. At the gate, at the trailhead, or the parking lot, every trip begins with a departure check. And the departure check is more than just checking that your transceiver works. It's a 4-step process that checks gear, your plans, communications, in addition to ensuring that everyone's transceivers are functioning properly. Check that personal gear, such as extra food, water, and layers, is in everyone's pack, and that group gear, such as first aid kits, repair kits, and navigation tools, are all accounted for, and that everybody knows who is carrying what. Make sure that everyone has all their rescue equipment on their person. Many groups find that pulling out shovels and probes and assembling them is the best way to make sure that those items are not damaged and made it into the backpack. Each person needs to have a transceiver, shovel, probe, and a communication device, and needs to carry them on their person in a pack or a vest. Double check that the plan your group made about where to go based on the group and conditions. Discuss anything your group has noticed that might warrant adjusting plans. Confirm break or meeting spots. Review relevant observations your group may want to gather. And discuss where or when you may make critical decisions about the day, including a turnaround time. As a gut check, it's an opportune time to ask, what gives us the confidence to carry out this plan? Confirm how your group will communicate throughout the day. If the group plans on using radios, this is the time to decide on a radio frequency and double check that everybody's radios work. Recommit to the backcountry rules of engagement, that you all agree to ride and decide together, listen to every voice, challenge assumptions, and respect any veto. This is also a good time to confirm the emergency response plan your group made earlier. Share emergency contact numbers and ensure someone not in the backcountry knows your plan. The final step is to check that everyone's transceiver is working properly. Choose one person to facilitate the check. You can use the acronym DBEST to help you remember all the steps. D stands for display. Check that your transceiver runs its self-check and that nothing on the display is broken. B stands for battery. Have everyone in the group read their battery level aloud to confirm they have sufficient battery for your outing. E stands for electronics. Check that all electronic devices like phones, radios, GPS watches, anything that sends or receives a signal is at least 10 inches away from your transceiver. Turn off as many electronics as you can or put them in airplane mode. S stands for search. Everyone should go into search mode. Ensure that you aren't receiving a signal, or if there are others around you, that the numbers on your display are very large. The person facilitating the check should go back to send or transmit. That person then checks that the transceiver of each person in the group registers the lowest number possible when the transceivers are close. End this step by visually confirming everyone properly puts away and secures their transceiver. T stands for transmit or send. The person running the check goes around one more time to confirm that everyone is properly sending. Read the numbers aloud to confirm that the numbers get as small as possible when the transceivers are close. For the facilitator, make sure to step away and that the numbers get larger again before moving to check the next person. This step checks that the facilitator's transceiver properly receives a signal. The final step is for someone to confirm that the facilitator properly puts away and secures their beacon. At the gate, the trailhead, or the parking lot, make sure you're ready for an outing into the backcountry, not just that your transceiver works. Perform a 4-part departure check to confirm your gear, your plan, and your communications, in addition to ensuring everyone's transceiver works.